Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a mortgage affordability calculator using Outgrow. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional calculator that helps users understand how much home price they can comfortably afford based on their income, debts, and expenses. Let's get started. Now let me show you how you can create the same kind of experience using Outgrow. Instead of building everything from scratch, we'll begin with the Outgrow AI Assistant. Open the AI Assistant and ask it to generate a mortgage affordability calculator that includes questions about income, down payment, debts, interest rate, and monthly housing expense. In seconds, the AI generates a complete calculator draft, including all the required questions, input types like sliders and numeric fields, and a basic result logic to calculate the affordable home price. And finally, you can ask it to generate the URL. But remember, AI is just the starting point. The real customization happens inside Outgrow. Once the draft is ready, head to the Build tab. Name your project Mortgage Affordability Calculator. Edit your welcome screen with a clear headline like, "Find out how much home price you can comfortably afford." Add a short description such as, "Answer a few quick questions to estimate your affordable home price based on your finances." Upload a relevant home or real estate image from the Design tab. Now we'll build the calculator step by step under the Build tab. Q1. What is your annual gross income? Add a $sign prefix and set a realistic range. Q2. Add another numeric text input question. How much do you have for a down payment? Q3. What are your monthly debt payments? This can include car loans, student loans, or credit cards. Q4. What is the expected mortgage interest rate? Set the range from around 5% to 30% with a default of 6%. Q5. What is the length of the mortgage term in years? Set the range from 1 to 30 years. Q6. Add a numeric slider question. What is your monthly property tax estimate? Q7. Create a numeric text input question. Estimated monthly homeowner's insurance cost. Q8. Add a numeric text input question. Are there any HOA fees? Now configure the result screen. Create a result titled, "Based on your finances, here's the home price you can comfortably afford." Display the calculated value prominently as R2. Enter or refine the calculation formula using Outgrow's Formula Builder to combine all inputs accurately. Before showing the results, enable the lead generation form. Ask for name email address. Now customize the design of your calculator from the Overall Design tab. Upload your logo. Apply your brand colors, adjust fonts and button styles. Make sure the calculator feels clean, professional, and easy to use. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to publish your mortgage affordability calculator. You can share the live URL or embed it on your website. That's it. You've now built a mortgage affordability calculator inside Outgrow, starting with the AI assistant and fully customizing it for a powerful, high-converting user experience. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start building today.